Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones JBL Tune 125 TVS with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then click to Bluetooth. Now open the case and it should enter pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold on the button on your headphone until you can see that light flashing blue. We can see it, so just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!